Hi, this is Mr. West, Rossit's most stylish. Today I'm focusing on the content for the USA mock exam. Obviously the content for this exam is the same, be it a mock or the real thing. Now what I've done is I've set out a spider diagram of different areas that I'd like us to look at, okay? And what the idea is that you take one of these areas, so in this case the cause of the boom. You put causes in the boom in the middle of an A4 sheet, and then off of that you put the causes round. The 5 causes there, and then off of them you put some key facts or key information that you're looking to remember. So the first one is say cause of the boom. First World War, the spark. You might want to put about taking over German chemical industries and examples such as that. So off of that you want to just be putting a couple more boxes to say what that is. Then there's USA's industrial strength, okay? What resources, what raw materials have they got in America, those kind of things. The new industries, the cars and the way they're produced. The Republican policies, tariffs, laissez-faire and low taxation. Again, get those three off there and tell me a little bit about each one. American state of mind, I want you to spend rather than to, let's save. So cause of the boom there goes in the middle of an A4 sheet. These 5 things, although on one side here, go around it, okay, in a kind of circle. And off of them we put specific facts that you're going to back yourself to learn for the exam. Let's have a look at the next topic, USA in the 20s, okay. So you've got consumer goods. Okay, when, how much were they and all, what were consumer goods, how many were sold and all those things, the cities, how did they increase, entertainment, you can see for the entertainment one I've done it for you. So I've put entertainment and then I'm just putting off there key facts that I'm going to back myself to know, okay, 100 million cinema tickets sold a week, real wages going up 11%, working weeks dropping from 47 to 44, and the number of radio stations. Alright, so that's the kind of thing I'm after. So I put USA in the 20s in the middle of an A4 sheet. I put all these first ones, so consumer goods, cities, entertainment, women, intolerance, KKK, prohibition, and farmers, all off of that in the middle. And then off of them I'm putting just facts. I don't want any explanation, just facts. Remember, for women you want to kind of split that in two. Urban women, talk about the flappers. Rural women, very different. Then you've got intolerance, Sacco Vanzetti, Scopes and the Monkey Trial, non-wasps, KKK, prohibition, and then farmers. And again, off of farmers, what facts do you know? Moving on, cause of the depression, get another sheet of A4 paper, okay, put cause of the depression in the middle, and then put these 5 things around it. So you've got speculation, tariffs, overproduction, poverty, and the Wall Street crash. And then off of them, put down just facts that you're going to know about overproduction, poverty, tariff, speculation, and the Wall Street crash. Alright, it's just the facts I'm interested in. Then we've got the 1932 election. I've not put any sections off of that, but you need to understand, obviously, the reaction of the public to Herbert Hoover and the reaction to FDR and how they contrasted with each other. Bringing your bonus army, the do nothing president, prosperity is just around the corner, against the Roosevelt, the dynamic on his train journeys all around America and those kind of things. And then into the New Deal, fresh page, New Deal in the middle of the page, first 100 days, the Homeowner Loan Corporation, the AAA, then you've got these two, the CWA and the PWA. You need to be able to know which is which one got accused of boondoggling, which one is Harold Ikes, which one's Harry Hopkins, CCC, TVA and NRA. Okay, again, what are they? And facts you're going to remember about each one. Alright, first New Deal. Second New Deal, okay. Here we go. Second New Deal, the Soil Conservation Act, the Resettlement Administration, the WPA, the Social Security Act and the Wagner Act. Or maybe you could have the Farmers Resettlement Farmers Resettlement Act could come in there, FSA. So yeah, those are the 8. Again, which is which, but facts about each one. And then we move on. Opposition to the New Deal. Okay. Supreme Court. What about when Roosevelt tried to pack it? Get your facts off there. You know, New Deal's doing too much. Who said that? What did they believe? New Deal's not doing enough. Who said that? What did they believe? Again, get your facts off of it. And then finally, the successes of the New Deal. Okay, so you've got what happened to black people during this period. Was it success or failure? Maybe this one, you might want to put success of the New Deal in the middle of the page and then put all these 4 off it and then kind of like split each one. So you've got attitudes there, and maybe on one side you're going to have kind of positive, and on the other side you're going to have negative. And you can maybe do that for each one, so you're sort of saying how the New Deal was good, how it was bad, and you've got the successes of the New Deal. So by then we should be, when you finish, you should be in a position where you've made yourself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mind maps, okay, and you've put the key facts in of each one. That's a good revision starter, but then what you need to do is you need to be able to cover it up, okay. Cover your sheet of paper up on the USA in the 1920s. Can you start by putting the different groups that we've looked at down? And then can you put the facts onto it? See how well you do. If you can't, okay, go back, revise it, look over it again, alright? Then have another go at it, alright? But the key point is, can I cover this up so that there's nothing there, okay? Can I cover this up? Let's have a look. Yeah. Oops. Can I cover it up, and then can I rewrite over the top what's there or not? Okay. Yeah, and that's the key question. If you can't do that, you don't know it. They're the 8 areas of key content for the mock exam on the USA, and obviously for the real thing come July.